Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, and in this short video I will show you which fuse to check in case your power locks are not working. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. The power locks fuse is located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery right here. So to lift this cover up, you'll have two clips, one here and one here. So you want to press on both of these to unlock it and then lift it straight up. Also on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. The fuse you want to check is fuse number M38, which is a 25 amp fuse located right here, and this is the fuse responsible for the power locks in all doors and the liftgate as well. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.